Why? Guys, so I trying to say when I burped earlier, I was trying to say, why is school 5 days, 5 weeks a week? 5 days a week. Wait, why is school 5 days a week? Why can't it be 4 or 6, 7, or 3 or 2 or 1? Why 5? I get up every morning just to get in the shower, get ready for school. To the point where I did. To the point where I let it be cooked. This is me right here, my pillow by the way. And I just walk into school. And I say, is that your real hair? Because you know why I said that? A trend has been going on since 10 million years. Because I comment down below if y'all want me to do a stream later when I get a PC, and comment below if I have to do Roblox soon, because I thought like last time y'all didn't do anything, so I'm gonna do Roblox if y'all say yes, because that's on y'all. So peace.